Imus and Valenzuela. Can he continue that with Bulacan? But it's Quezon City winning the tip. Franz Diaz, who spent last season with Iloilo. And that's a three to open the game from Santos. Marty Hill, Art De Leon, has had some PBA experience. Haley Ajero knocks down the three.
So far in.
Natapik ni Avillonar, no look pass, finish from Jerome Santos. There's J.R. Somido. He'll fire a three. It's good, J.R. Somido. Hindi mo pwede pabayaan yan. Ito si J.R. Somido.
Their confidence and preparation. Sila, Coach Christian.
Maraming salamat, Sydney. And, you know, both coaches looking to make their mark dito. That it's 15 players and a coach.
Right.
But there's a lot going on
Behind
and,
the scenes,
and,
yeah.
It's like having a company. Parang
Correct.
bagong kumpanya
Correct.
yan.
Si LGR, ano na yan eh. Oh, kumbaga, balik loob na yan. Dati na sa atin yan.
Yeah, so yun yung but
Right.
there are careers within basketball na pwede mong pasukan. Arda Leon scores right there.
Or kung may management skills kayo, pwede kayong manager. Depende sa skill na may ipoprovide nyo. Pero ito, skillful ang kanyang jumper. Huwag magandang pick-up para sa Quezon City.
And Jordan Santa Ana as well. Art De Leon, you know, with his size, Art De Leon can...
Alam mo bakit ko nasabi yun? Eh, mukhang humahabol na rin siya sa akin pagdating dun sa buhok. Kaya... Pero ako, 40 anyos na eh.
Don't go there.
Tatanggapin niya yung balang araw. Trust me, I know the feeling.
Dumating po si Madam Jinky
Oo,
Pacquiao. Duman sa harap namin, by the
Iba
way.
rin yung aura ni Madam eh.
Oo.
Di ba?
But some changes in the lineup of Quezon City here. Jordan Santa Ana,
Ayan
John
na.
Gabriel.
De Leon, kanina 2-point shot off the post. 3 points naman.
Ito, quality point guard to from the collegiate ranks. Gabriel puts the ball on the deck. The runner off the glass is in.
Showing the skill, no? That's when you get...
Bunanan swings it over to Casino. Libre si Casino, and he gets the bump close to the basket.
The defense is always tested when that ball is swung side to side. In semi-transition, ball started from the left side all the way, swung to the right side, and Casino, we talked about the leadership that he can provide, especially at the point guard position. This time, shows that he can drive the ball. And who's still playing now sa Binyan. So, ganun na tayo katanda.
Grabe. So, guys, pag nag-cover si Christian Luanzon, you will get Dinar with the rebound.
A little off balance on that shot. As you see, the forward pass and the finish. I've always liked yung talent.
Sarah Joseph, that ball batted away, picked up by Ibanez, out to Diaz. Ibanez is open. Oh, Sarah Joseph ends up with the loose ball.
Look what I found. I mean, Sarah Joseph.
Sumido in and out on the three. Osicos with the offensive rebound, and that gets the 2 points.
You know, we were talking about Dennis Rodman in the first game. He said that, Boss Jamal. Corner shot, Sumido. Swak na swak.
That's more like it from the Bulacan Kuyas. 1/3 of the output ng kanyang kupunan with 10 points. Franz Diaz, a layup, no. Put back from Bernabe.
Mark out of the 24. Pero yun, 16. But if you do the math, it should be 16.
Down, ends up with Hill. Sumido, lumapit. Oh, soft touch. J.R. Sumido. 3, it's short. Tapik ni Bernabe, he gets the loose ball. Diaz attacks with a dipsy-do. Quezon City in the lead again. 7 points para kay Franz Diaz.
And an easy backdoor and score by Diaz.
Sumido launches and hits. What a shot galing kay JR Sumido with a hand in his face.
You were ready to get out of your seat, man.
Yes, absolutely, my friend. Santa Ana, another offensive rebound in the bucket.
But so far,
39 all. Berjay nabitawan ng bola. Poked away by De Leon, and RR sails in for the finish. Oh, same situation. The bounce pass to Hale this time.
good recovery by Gabriel to stop that break. Santa Ana can beat the clock. He does. No, I'm just saying that nagulat ka. Hindi ko pa napapanood si Diaz. Si Bayosing na. Nasa amin na. Ngayon ko lang nakita maglaro. Nung nasa amin na.
Off here for Quezon City. Berjay goes baseline and hits the reverse. Great is here. Richard Campos yan. As RR De Leon lays it in for two. Trims the depth.
Inbounder pass nun.
Gabriel,
Ganda ng pasa.
a kick out. De La Rosa knocks down the three.
Sakto yung pasa.
No finish. Berjay to Diaz. Well, behind the back to Berjay. What a pass from Diaz. Banggaan sila. There's a double team. Dumps it off to Avillonar. Ibanez. Three-pointer is good.
So it wasn't really a catch and shoot situation.
JR Somido, no hesitation. JR Somido knocks it down.
Buong loob, no? Kahit na may
Ano nangyari? Bigla na lang nadapa si Bulawan. Eh.
Right.
Wala namang ginawa si Gabriel.
Ito. Well, closeout was a little late, especially sa kalibre ni Sumido.
We go to De Leon. RR De Leon trying to bank it in. Celso with a stick back.
Good press break.
Avillonar. Ibanez attacks and scores. Mancino, the kick out. Three-pointer. Will get the bounce. Jason Poray.
6 minutes pa lang dito sa larong ito. Last one, 3-point play.
Poray puts it in.
No, impact baka mo. Back-to-back baskets na si Puray.
Dito to De Leon. Turnaround shot. Oh, tough finish. Galing kay RR De Leon.
The advantage of being long and having spin. Finish.
14 points. Cunanan attacks. Reverse. Yes. First Poray. Great defense. Oh,
Pass.
ganda na pasa. Santa Ana. Nino Ibanez, and this lead has ballooned to 16. Nino Ibanez. And he'll take the corner three and knock it down.
You know what's been evident in this quarter? Especially on defense. Ito, 2-on-1 na naman. Sino nangunguna? The speedster. Nino Ibanez. Ni hindi man lang hinihingal.
Bulawan with the rebound. Trying to power his way through Jeb Bulawan.
A persistence personified right there by Bulawan. He gets
Cunanan, the bounce pass inside. The Bernabe.
That's something that we mentioned earlier. Said the IT I've ever seen in my life.
Yes.
I know a lot of ITs, kapamilya, pinsan, kaibigan.
Kung paano nagsimula itong MPBL, it's just remarkable that we are here right now on our 7th season with 30 teams and us
Right.
being given, opportunities. And I'm counting the players, the staff,
Right.
everyone.
Nanganganak eh. Again. And then nanganganak pa. Guys, ito, tulad nito, panganganak din to yung fast break. Nagsimula nung third quarter. Nanganganak pa. It can be, it's never perfect. It never will be. It's tiring, yes, especially sa part nila Emer as De Leon hits a three from
They were in
the inbound
Rosales, Pangasinan last night.
Ilagan.
Yes.
Last weekend, Sunday umuwi. Di ba? So, the daily grind for 9 to 10 months.
Runs the bola, ends up with Nino Ibanez. Diaz is all alone.
Did you see that loose ball rebound / recovery by
Oo.
Ibanez?
The whole time.
Tulad nito.
And Ibanez, 2 points again.
Coach,
21 points ang lamang ng Quezon City. Nasumido loses the handle. And another layup para kay Nino Ibanez. Getting embarrassing for Bulacan,
Yeah.
really.
another layup na pinaghirapan, pero ito pinaghirapan talaga. Si Sumido.
Only a 2-pointer. Put on the line, Espiritu for 2. 92 to
Na, alam ko may movie siya, pero yung tipong Rocky yung dating.
well,
Like a Filipino version Rocky na si Boss Manny.
yung Creed na series, parang ganun, in the last few minutes. Wala, agaw pa rin. Alvarez banks it in.
It's like a fast break drill. That third quarter, mas malalakas pang mga kalaban.
Yung Santa Ana, nakalabas pa yung dila habang nag-lay up. Margin for error.
Right.
Sobrang liit. As Osicos gets that one to go in. Jeff Perlas and his team as they take down the Bulacan Cuyas in a high-scoring game, 100-80 with 100-80 Quezon City over Bulacan. And